Hey everyone, welcome to the PDNob channel. Stop using ChatGPT like a basic chatbot. Many people still use ChatGPT in the same old way, asking questions, uploading files again and again, and repeating the same background information every time. But with ChatGPT Work, you can build your own AI workspace that helps you complete tasks more efficiently. In this video, I'll show you how to set up ChatGPT Work and customize it to work like your personal AI assistant. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI productivity tips. To get the most out of ChatGPT Work, we'll use the ChatGPT desktop app. You can download it from the official website. The link is available here. Now open the ChatGPT app. As you can see, we're already inside ChatGPT Work, which is where we'll create our workspace. Before we start using it, let's adjust a few settings to improve the experience. Go to the chat box. Here, you can adjust the model effort and response speed. For most daily tasks, I recommend medium effort with fast speed. It gives you a good balance between response quality and speed. Next, let's check the approval settings. When ChatGPT needs to perform certain actions, it can ask for your confirmation before continuing. For better control, I recommend choosing Ask for Approval so you can review actions before they happen. Now, let's create a project workspace. For this example, I'll use a product launch project. We have different files for this project, including project plans, meeting notes, task trackers, requirements documents, and timelines. Normally, going through all these files manually can take a lot of time because you need to read, compare, and organize information from multiple documents. But ChatGPT Work makes this much easier. Instead of uploading files individually, you can connect an entire project folder and let ChatGPT understand the information inside. Here's how to do. Go to Project in the chat box, click New Project, and select Use Existing Folder. Then choose the folder you want ChatGPT to access. That's it. ChatGPT is now connected to your project workspace and can use the files and information inside as context. However, connecting your files is only the first step. To make ChatGPT Work more useful, you can customize how it works based on your needs. Think of this as setting up your own AI assistant. Go to Settings in the bottom left corner, click Personalization here. Here, you can customize ChatGPT by adding 4 important details. First, provide information about your role and background, including who you are, what you do, and relevant details about your experience or industry, so ChatGPT can better understand your needs. Then, define your goals and response style by explaining what you want to achieve and how you want ChatGPT to respond, such as using a professional tone, clear structure, or simple explanations. I've prepared a customizable instruction template that you can use and modify based on your needs. You can find it in the video description. Now, let's see what ChatGPT Work can do with this project. First, it can help you create project status reports. Simply ask, review all project files and create a project status report. ChatGPT will combine information from different documents and summarize current progress, completed tasks, challenges, risks, and recommended actions. Besides creating documents, ChatGPT Work can also analyze your project data. For example, you can ask it to create an Excel dashboard. With a simple request, it can turn your raw project data into a clear dashboard with important metrics and visual insights. Another useful feature is creating documents directly from your project information. For example, you can ask, create a stakeholder presentation based on this project. ChatGPT can analyze your files and generate a complete presentation with project goals, progress updates, risks, and next steps. This saves you time from manually creating reports and presentations. As you can see, ChatGPT Work is much more than a chatbot. Once properly set up, ChatGPT Work becomes your personal AI assistant, helping you work smarter, automate daily tasks, and achieve more with less effort. If you found this tutorial useful, like and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.